In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in or out in Google Drive, whether you're working on important documents, editing spreadsheets, or crafting presentations. You'll often need to adjust your view for better clarity and comfort. So let's dive right in and explore the different ways you can zoom in and out using both your web browser and within specific Google apps like Docs, Sheets, and Slides. First, it's important to note that Google Drive itself doesn't have a built-in zoom feature. However, don't worry, you can easily achieve the zoom effect by adjusting settings in your browser or applying zoom options available within Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides. Let's start by discussing browser-based zooming. If you're using a popular web browser like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox, zooming is straightforward. While you're in your browser, you can zoom in by pressing the Ctrl key on your keyboard along with the plus key. This combination will enlarge the content, making it easier to see. Conversely, if you need to zoom out, simply press Ctrl along with the minus key, which will reduce the view to fit more content on your screen. And if you've changed the zoom level and want to return to the default view, pressing Ctrl and the 0 key will reset the zoom back to 100%. Now let's turn our attention to zooming within specific Google applications like Docs, Sheets, or Slides. Suppose you have a document or spreadsheet open. In that case, there's a convenient zoom drop-down located in the toolbar, typically in the top left corner. This is usually set to 100% by default, indicating the current zoom level. Clicking on this drop-down menu will reveal a list of preset zoom options ranging from a detailed close-up to a broader overview. You can select the zoom level that best fits your needs. This feature is incredibly handy as it allows you to tailor the view according to the task at hand, whether you're closely examining data or need an overarching look at your document layout. And there you have it. By utilizing your browser's shortcuts or the zoom drop-down when working within Google Docs, Sheets, or Slides, you can easily adjust the zoom settings to suit your needs. Remember, these tools can make a significant difference in how efficiently you work by allowing you to see content more clearly or fit more on the screen when needed. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it enhances your productivity with Google Drive. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials. And until next time, happy zooming.